This is my math homework number 18, Thursday. What problem is being shown? So that's a half and a half. So you can say it's a half plus a half, or you can say there's two copies of a half. So you say 2 times 1/2, because there's 2 of them. For the second one, it says, which expression is equal to 48 over 35? So the way you would read that is, 48 is being divided by 35, because it's an improper fraction. That leaves you with option B. For the next one, Sam ran for 1 2/6 miles on Saturday. He ran 1 1/3 miles on Sunday. Which expression could be used to determine the amount of miles Sam ran in altogether? So altogether means we're going to add. So it'll be 1 2/6 plus 1 1/3. We need to get our common denominator of 6 and 6. The top guy can stay the same. The bottom one is times 2 and times 2. So it'll be 2 6 and 2 6. So pretty much we're doing 1 plus 1, or you could do 2. So it could be 1 plus 1 plus 2 6 plus 2 6. And the one that has that is going to be letter D. 1 plus 1 plus 2 6 plus 2 6. A is wrong because it's 2 wholes, but it's not 3/9. B is wrong because it's not 2 plus 4/12. C is wrong because it's not 2 6 plus 3 6. It's 2 6 plus another 2 6. For the next one, it says Cheyenne cuts a whole piece of wood into 5 equal pieces. It was 54 feet long before, so it's pretty much 54 feet being divided into 5 equal pieces. So it'll be 54 is being divided by 5. 5 can go in 5 once. And then it cannot go into 4, so you put a 0. So we will be 10 holes with 4 left out of 5. So that'll be C. Because when you can go 5 and 5, you get 0. And when you drop down this 4, it can't go into it. So you put a 0 up top first, because 5 times 10 is 50, and then you have the remainder of 4. For the next one, it says add or subtract. So it'll be 7 and 4/7 minus 2 and 2/3. Of course, we need to get our common denominator of 21 and 21. This is times 3 times 3, which is 12. This is times 7 and times 7, which is 14. And you cannot do 12 minus 14, so we have to go next door and borrow. So that becomes a 6. This is 21 over 21. So now we have 33, I believe, over 21. Now it will be 33 minus 14. That will give us 19 over 21. And now 6 minus 2, which is 4. And this cannot be simplified. So it'll be 4 and 19, 21 for the top part. For the bottom one, we just add 4 and 5/6 plus the 2/3. We need to get our common denominator of 6 and 6 again. The top guy stays the same. The bottom one's times 2 and times 2, which gives it 4 6. When we add these two, we get 9 6. That's improper fraction, so that would be 9 divided by 6. And I know that 6 can go into 9 once, with 3 left out of 6. Plus the 4 up top. So now you have the 4 plus the 1 gives you 5. And then you have 3 6, which can be divided both by 3. And then that'll give us a final answer 5 and 1